I'm Review My RV, and every week we're throwing open the doors to the newest, most jaw-dropping motorhomes before they even hit the dealership lot. If it's fresh, innovative, and rev-ready, we're reviewing it. Let's dive in. You ever wake up, pour your coffee, scroll through your feed and think, wow, that's the coolest thing I've seen all week? Well folks, today is one of those days. We're talking about something that absolutely breaks the mold. Something that's equal parts insane engineering, luxury living, and pure dream machine energy. Yes, I'm talking about the 2026 Koenigsegg Motorhome, a rolling palace that looks like it came from the future and drives like a hypercar on wheels. I mean, just say that out loud, a hypercar motorhome. How wild is that? If you're into motorhomes, luxury travel, or automotive innovation, this is the kind of thing that makes you sit forward in your seat with a big smile on your face. From the moment the rumors and concept teasers started surfacing late in 2025, the internet and the automotive world at large pretty much collectively lost it. Imagine the engineering DNA of one of the most elite hypercar makers on the planet poured into an RV, something you'd take on a cross-continent adventure, a national park road trip, or just a weekend escape to your favorite scenic overlook. That's exactly what this thing promises. The best of both worlds, hypercar performance blended with ultra-luxury travel comfort. Let's kick things off with the design, because right from the first look you can tell this isn't your standard motorhome. Koenigsegg has always been known for its stunning carbon fiber designs and aerodynamic styling, and they didn't tone that down for this project. The exterior of the 2026 motorhome looks like it was sculpted by wind itself. Sleek, purposeful lines, aggressive stance, and that unmistakable Koenigsegg presence that makes supercars stop and stare. Instead of the typical boxy RV shape, this looks like something landing on a track rather than just cruising down the highway. It's almost like if you took a hypercar and stretched it into a luxurious home on wheels, and honestly, that's exactly the vibe. The body has a lightweight carbon fiber structure that keeps weight down, while giving it a futuristic, purposeful look that makes you think, is this a dream or reality? When you think of Koenigsegg, you think of performance. But here's the twist. This beast isn't just about 100 plus mph cruising and screaming horsepower, it's about performance with comfort. The heart of this motorhome isn't a lazy, sluggish diesel engine. Nope. Early concept breakdowns and build impressions suggest a hybrid powertrain inspired by the brand's hypercar platforms, meaning electric power for silent, smooth get-up-and-go mobility around campsites or town centers, plus a combustion engine for long-haul cruising and extra muscle on open highways. That's huge, because it combines efficiency, range, and performance in a package nobody expected from a motorhome. Golden Fresh Farms Company. I mean, think about it. Usually motorhomes are fun to live in but not exactly exciting to drive. With this thing, you're gonna want to drive from sunrise to sunset just to feel what it's like. Early spec impressions even hint that this hybrid system could produce well over 1,000 horsepower, enough to push this massive machine with confidence and authority, rather than just lumbering along like a big box on wheels. I'm seriously hyped just thinking about it. And let's talk off-road capability for a second. A lot of luxury RVs out there look amazing but are basically highway queens, not ideal if you want to explore rugged national park roads or dusty back roads to find that perfect sunset camp spot. The 2026 Koenigsegg Motorhome reportedly embraces a robust chassis and suspension system, something that makes it capable of handling more than just smooth freeways. It's engineered for adventure, which means you can take this thing farther than your typical RV and still feel confident the vehicle is gonna handle it with grace. Golden Fresh Farms Company. Now, once you step inside, that's where the magic really hits. The interior is described as a mix between a private jet, a luxury yacht, and your favorite boutique hotel, all rolled into one. We're talking premium materials like Italian leather, brushed titanium accents, sustainable high-end textiles, and carbon fiber trim that gives every inch a custom, bespoke feel. This isn't a practical living space, this is living in style. Golden Fresh Farms Company. Imagine a lounge area that's more comfortable than your living room, complete with reconfigurable seating that can turn into a dining area, workspace, or just a chill spot to watch movies or enjoy the scenery sliding by outside. Imagine a queen-size bed that pops up electronically, surrounded by mood lighting and climate zones tuned to keep things perfect no matter where you are. There's even talk of a spa-like bathroom, complete with high-end fixtures and finishes that rival what you'd expect in a luxury home. And because this is Koenigsegg and they love pushing the envelope, the technology suite inside is insanely advanced. Large digital displays, AI-enhanced energy management, voice and gesture controls, all seamlessly integrated into the living and driving experience without feeling overwhelming. You're not launching rockets here, you're commanding a rolling fortress of comfort with intuitive tech that blends into the background of your adventure. Golden Fresh Farms Company, solar panels, advanced battery systems, off-grid energy solutions, all of that comes together to make this motorhome not just a mobile home, but a true platform for extended travel and exploration without dependency on hookups or fuel stops every few hundred miles. That's the kind of freedom most RVers dream about. Golden Fresh Farms Company. One of the most fun parts of talking about this is comparing it to past models, not because there were previous Koenigsegg motorhomes, but because this is such a departure for the brand. Koenigsegg has been known for ultra-limited production hypercars like the Jesko and Gemera, cars that cost millions and are engineered for fire-breathing performance and cutting-edge innovation. Putting that kind of engineering know-how into a motorhome is basically like watching a rock star start cooking gourmet meals on a cooking show. It's unexpected, it's unconventional, and honestly, the folks who've spent time around early concept leaks and teaser videos consistently come away saying the same thing. This doesn't feel like a compromise. It feels like Koenigsegg saw the typical travel lifestyle vehicle and said, nah, we can do better than that. That's a rare and exciting mindset, especially in a vehicle category that can often feel a little sleepy or predictable. Of course, all this innovation and luxury doesn't come cheap. Early word on pricing puts this thing well into the multi-million-dollar territory. Figures around $2 million or possibly even more for bespoke options and configurations have been floated. And let's be honest, that's a lot. But when you think about it, this isn't just a motorhome, it's almost a collector-grade luxury machine, an art piece on wheels that's meant for people who truly love both travel and automotive excellence. You can compare it to the standard RVs out there. Rugged adventure rigs, Class A motorhomes, luxury diesel pushers, and sure, those are amazing in their own spaces. But none of them have the sheer performance DNA that this Koenigsegg machine brings. You want speed with your smoothie. This thing probably laughs at a highway merge while you're still filling up your coffee. You want elegance on a gravel road. The chassis and suspension will whisper smooth with confidence. You want to camp under the stars at 90 miles per hour. Okay, maybe that's a stretch, but you get the idea. Golden Fresh Farms Company. And while we're talking future of travel, isn't that what this motorhome represents at its core? This isn't about going from point A to point B. This is about how you experience every moment in between. It's about turning your journey into part of the destination. It's about waking up in the most beautiful places on Earth with world-class comfort behind you and the wide-open road ahead of you, powered by tech and engineering at the absolute top of its game. So yeah, the 2026 Koenigsegg Motorhome, this thing is wild. It's fun, it's luxurious, it's powerful, it's unexpected, and that's what makes it one of the most exciting vehicles you could imagine coming out in the next couple of years. Whether you're a hardcore RV enthusiast, a gearhead at heart, or just someone who loves seeing innovation push the boundaries, this one is gonna be talked about for a long time. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know about you, but I'm already planning imaginary road trips with this thing. Desert highways, coastal cliff roads, mountain back roads, city cruising at night, whatever your travel style is, I'll bet this motorhome makes it feel epic. And hey, maybe one day we'll even see one of these beasts at a rally or a meetup near us. A motorhome that doesn't just carry you, but thrills you while it does it. Thanks for hanging out and geeking out with me over this incredible piece of rolling innovation. If you're as excited as I am, smash that like button, drop your dream road trip in the comments, and let's keep building this hype together. See you on the next video. Minibus running dash. If you love seeing the absolute newest motorhome technology and design, you need to be part of the Review My RV family. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss the next big reveal. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the open road.